You have a Neff Slide and Hide oven with a hinge lock that isn't working, which means you might not be able to lock the door open like this, which is how you remove the door, or worse, you might not be able to unlock it to close the door and carry on cooking. This video is going to help you solve it. So normally we lock or unlock the hinge with a coin or a screwdriver, and we put it in the slot and turn. It turns around 60 degrees. If it's pointing to the front at the top, then the hinge is unlocked, and if it points at the back of the hinge, then the hinge is locked. And what you're probably finding is that as you're doing this, it's not releasing your door, which is why you're watching this video. A couple of things to try first of all. The first is just take a little bit of weight to the door, push it up, try turning it again to release the hinge. Try putting it down to release the hinge in the same way. Try that a dozen or so times. If that works, this will be the easiest way of solving this problem. If that didn't work, we're now going to try tapping that circle with 2 fingers. Tap it quite hard and then try turning it again with the coin. Tap it again, turn it again. It might be that that's enough to release the hinge, but if that doesn't work, we have the ultimate solution. Our next step is to bring the oven forwards out of the housing by a few centimetres. To do that, we have to remove the side profiles of the oven. Now, each Neff Slide and Hide oven can have different ways of attaching the side profiles, so if you haven't got your instructions, I have another video of where to find the model number for your oven, and then you can use that on the Neff website to download the instructions for your model. Once we've removed those side profiles, there are normally 2 screws that hold it back into the housing. We can remove those and then we can slide it forwards. And with the screws removed, you can now pull the oven forwards out of the housing. Not too far, you don't want it to fall on you. Just far enough that you can see this part here. This piece of plastic is the clever part. That rotation of your coin or your screwdriver moves that plastic rod so that it moves a part that locks and unlocks the hinge. But if I get that in just the wrong or the right position, depending on your point of view, what you find is that it doesn't always move. Now, most of the time, the factors from the earlier steps of moving the door is enough to then release it. There we go. If it hasn't, what you can do is move that with your finger. That should release it. If there's a little bit of grime or something stopping that movement happening, that can be why your hinge has got stuck in the lock or won't lock in the first place. Once you've done that, you can put the oven back in the same way and hopefully you can make your dinner. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe. It really does help my small business. If you've still got questions, leave them in the comments below. I do try and answer them all myself, and this video has come about from answering a specific question, this question, that was left on the videos I've done before about how to fix Neff Hide and Slide oven doors. Now, if you live in East Kent and you're looking for a kitchen, bedroom or bathroom done well, please come visit my showroom. I'd love to give you the full tour. My name is Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. Wrong way around.